The Daihatsu Mira 2012 is a Japanese car known for its small size and practicality. It was crafted with a bustling city life in mind, providing a nimble, easy-to-maneuver experience. It's perfect for navigating tight spaces and narrow streets. The 2012 Daihatsu Mira carries an aesthetic that combines simplicity with modern flair. With its compact design, the Mira is ideal for parking in crowded urban cities. The exterior is defined by smooth lines and subtle curves, projecting a sense of uncomplicated elegance. Inside the Mira, the focus is on maximizing space and comfort within its petite frame. Despite its size, the model boasts a surprisingly roomy interior. Crafted to accommodate the urban driver, it features practical seating arrangements and essential conveniences that cater to daily commuting needs. Underneath its unassuming hood, the Mira 2012 is equipped with an efficient yet capable engine tailored for city driving. The performance is economical, making it a wise choice for those interested in saving fuel without sacrificing reliability. The Mira's compact build lends itself to agile handling. Whether navigating busy streets or dealing with traffic in rush hour, the steering is a welcome ally for the city dweller. It highlights the car's core advantage in controlling even the most challenging urban environments. Safety in the Mira is given considerable attention, with features that ensure peace of mind while on the road. The integration of adequate airbags and braking systems confirms that small size doesn't equate to compromised safety. Also included are basic technological interfaces that enhance the driving experience without overwhelming the user. One of the paramount appeals of the 2012 Daihatsu Mira is its economical edge. Strikingly fuel efficient, the Mira stands out as a budget-friendly option for urban commuters. Its ability to deliver value savings on fuel, combined with low maintenance costs, underscores its reputation as a dependable economic vehicle. The Daihatsu Mira 2012 presents itself as a quintessential urban companion. Its compact nature brings convenience, while its efficient performance and economical advantages ensure it remains a favored choice among city drivers. Whether you're squeezed in traffic or parking in packed spaces, this small yet mighty vehicle does its job with flair.